Good morning, all medicos. Today's our MCQs are on topic carbohydrate metabolism and glycogen storage disease. Subscribe our channel, like our work, and share it with your friends, your colleagues. My next video is on topic 5 best applications, mobile applications for medical students. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which of the following compounds does not give a positive reaction to Benedict's test? Option A ascorbic acid, option B homogentic acid, option C sucrose, option D lactose. The answer is C sucrose. Benedict's test is not answered by sucrose since it is a non-reducing sugar. Benedict test is a test for reducing sugars. It is answered by all monosaccharides and most disaccharides except sucrose. Question number 2. Which of the following enzymes catalyze the rate limiting step of glycogenolysis? Option A glycogen synthase, B glycogen phosphorylase, C glucose 6 phosphatase, D none. The correct answer is option B glycogen phosphorylase. The rate limiting step in glycogenolysis is catalyzed by the enzyme glycogen phosphorylase. Question number 3. Muscle cannot release glucose from glycogen because of the deficiency of option A glucokinase, option B phosphoglucomutase, option C glucose 6 phosphatase, option D muscle phosphorylase. The correct answer is option C glucose 6 phosphatase. In the absence of enzyme glucose 6 phosphatase, muscle cannot release glucose into the blood. However, myocytes lack the enzyme glucose 6 phosphatase. As a result, glucose 6 phosphate cannot be dephosphorylated and released into the blood. Muscle glycogen provide a readily available source of glucose 1 phosphate for glycolysis within the muscle itself. Question number 4. Which of the following vitamin serve as the cofactor of the enzyme glycogen phosphorylase? Option A vitamin B1, option B vitamin B6, option C vitamin B2, option D vitamin C. The correct answer is vitamin B6, option B. Glucose phosphorylase require pyridoxal phosphate, vitamin B6 as its coenzyme. Question number 5. Which of the following is the debranching enzyme? Option A glycogen synthase, option B glucose 6 phosphatase, option C amylo 1,6 glucosidase, option D amylo 1,4,1,6 transglycosylase. The correct answer is option C amylo 1,6 glucosidase. Amylo 1,6 glucosidase with alpha 1,4,1,4 glucan transferase forms the debranching enzyme. Question number 6. All of the following are glycogen storage disorders except option A Hirsch disease, option B Taroi's disease, option C See's disease, option D Anderson's disease. The correct answer is option C See's disease. See's disease is not a glycogen storage disease. It is a type of mucopolysaccharidosis, MPS. Question number 7. Which is the only glycogen storage disease that is also a lysosomal storage disorder? Option A von Zerk disease, option B Pom's disease, option C MC Ardley disease, option D Cory's disease. The correct answer is option B Pom's disease. Pom's disease is the glycogen storage disease which is also a lysosomal storage disorder. A small amount of glycogen is degraded by the lysosomal enzyme alpha 1,4-glucosidase, also known as acid maltase. A deficiency of this enzyme causes accumulation of glycogen in vacuoles in the lysosomes. This is called as the type 2 glycogen storage disease or Pom's disease. Question number 8. An adolescent male patient presented with pain in the calf muscle on exercise. On biopsy, excessive amount of glycogen was found to be present in the muscle. What is the most likely enzyme deficiency? Option A muscle debranching enzyme, option B phosphofructokinase, option C glucose 6 phosphatase, option D muscle glycogen phosphorylase. The correct answer is option D muscle glycogen phosphorylase. The patient has muscle glycogen phosphorylase deficiency known as MC Ardley's disease. The lack of muscle glycogen phosphorylase result in excessive glycogen buildup in muscles as seen in the biopsy. This image is of vascular myopathy in MC Ardley's disease. Features of this disease: poor exercise tolerance, abnormally high muscle glycogen 2.5 to 4%, very low blood lactate from after exercise. Question number 9. Glycogen phosphorylase can be regulated by all the following except option A CAMP, option B calmodulin, option C protein phosphatase 1, option D glycogenin. The correct answer is option D glycogenin. The answer is option D glycogenin. Glycogenin cannot regulate glycogen phosphorylase enzyme. It is a polypeptide serving as a primer in the initiation of glycogen synthesis. Regulation of glycogen metabolism at the level of glycogen phosphorylase by CAMP, which activates phosphorylase kinase, which in turn activates glycogen phosphorylase. Calcium activates the calmodulin component of phosphorylase kinase directly, and which in turn activates glycogen phosphorylase. 5' AMP acts allosterically to activate glycogen phosphorylase. Protein phosphatase 1 inactivates glycogen phosphorylase. Question number 10. The enzyme defective in Hurler's disease is option A iduronate sulfatase, option B beta galactosidase, option C alpha L iduronidase, option D beta glucuronidase. The correct answer is option C alpha L iduronidase. Deficiency of the enzyme alpha L iduronidase that degrades glycosaminoglycans result in Hurler's disease. Hurler's disease. It is also known as previously as gargoylism. Coarse facial features. Clinical features: coarse facial features, corneal clouding, large tongue, inguinal hernia, hepatosplenomegaly, joint stiffness, short stature, copious nasal discharge, skeleton dysplasia, hydrocephalus, valvular heart disease, etc. The gene encoding alpha L iduronidase is present on chromosome 4, and the treatment of Hurler's disease is enzyme replacement therapy is available in the form of Aldurazyme. Question number 11. All MPS are inherited in an autosomal recessive manner except option A Hurler's disease, option B Hunter's disease, option C Meroteaux Lamy disease, option D Sanfilippo A disease. The answer is B Hunter's disease. All MPS are inherited in an autosomal recessive manner except Hunter's disease, which is inherited in an X-linked recessive manner. Hunter's disease. What is Hunter's disease? Enzyme deficient iduronate sulfatase affects males commonly. No corneal clouding is seen. Grouping skin papules are seen. Extensive Mongolian spots may be an early marker. Communicating hydrocephalus and spastic paraplasia may be seen due to thickness of meninges. In severe form of the disease, extensive and progressive deterioration occur, followed by death by 10 to 15 years of age. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, share it with your friends, your colleagues.